Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sheikh Muhammad Usman. I am a Hajj guide with 10 years of Hajj and Umrah experience. I have been leading group during the Hajj and Umrah season for many years now. So I have seen the physical demand this blessed journey has. As a guide, my responsibility is to look after and assist my fellow Hujjaj in the spiritual days such as Al-Mina, Arafat, Muzdalifah, which is testing time for strength and faith. My Quranic and Sunnah approach as a guide will benefit my Hujjat throughout their journey to answer any ritual questions and ensure an easy, memorable, stress-free and safe journey. I have the same excitement and passion each visit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala house because I get to share my expertise each year with our Ummah and the appreciation I receive from you all. Make all the hard work worth it. I hope to be with you during the Hajj 2026 inshallah and may it be a Hajj Mabrur. Jazakallah khair.